Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're back on pound yen as prices come into our resistance zone, so we're looking to see what could potentially happen next with this currency pair. Now the pound yen, well, the pound has been quite strong recently. A deal between the UK and the EU over the Northern Ireland Protocol has been done, and the pound has rallied quite significantly off the back of that, and looks like the pound strength is in for a while. Now the Bank of Japan, on the other hand, are likely to keep rates really low as usual, which could continue to weaken the currency. So from a fundamental standpoint, you know, we could expect price to continue to the upside. Our overall targets around about this 169 to the 171 spot 50 level. Now the last time we talked about pound yen, we did feature in the week ahead analysis video talking about this engulfing candle in here, but what was really interesting was, or before that, we actually spoke about the fact that price had traded outside of the 162 highs and that price could use it as support for further upside. So if you did manage to catch that move, we were looking to target around about the 166 handle, which you can see there, looking to the right, price has come into that level there. The high of this candle is actually 166.007, so it actually went 7 points over our sort of target area, and so that would have gained you sort of 300 to 400 points there from the 162, so around about 400 points in total. So that would have been a really good move to look at. Now prices got to that resistance level though, what can we expect from price? Now if we're going to expect price to move higher from the higher time frame point of view, I would want to see price retrace back down towards the previous area of support. So it could be the 163 spot 50, which are these previous highs, or it could be back down into this kind of engulfing candle area, because that's where the demand for the market started from. So we could see price come back down into this before seeing the continuation back to 166, and then hopefully if price trades through that, we've got our move up to the 169 handle. Now because we're kind of still in that bullish phase here, if I go down to the 4-hour time frame, again you can see how aggressive sellers are getting in here at the moment. You can see that we've had this kind of pausing area through here, which is around about the 164 handle, where we've had a kind of increase in that buying today. Now what I'll be looking for, if price comes back into this area here and we start to see buyers again, so I'll be on the lower time frames looking for bullish patterns, we may actually get a sort of move from this area instead back to the 166 before seeing the continuation down towards our supporting levels, just because price doesn't always naturally kind of reject and just go in a straight line. What we often see is price will be in an upward trend, hit the level of resistance, form some kind of like double top or some kind of lower high pattern, and then start making a move to the downside. So that's why I'm not really focused on price coming straight down to the 163 spot 50. I don't think price will necessarily do that. What we may see is price come down into this 164 area here, find some support, maybe bounce a little bit higher, maybe come up into this area here where we've seen sellers getting very aggressive in the market, which is just around about that 166 area. Okay, so definitely something to think about for pound yen. I do see from a fundamental point of view price continuing to trade to the upside, so we'll have to wait and see if price does come back into our levels of support now. So hopefully you caught that move. Hopefully you've been enjoying the content lately. If you have, please leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.